Hey everybody, it's Lois. There's Amy, Ladies of Justice League.com. We are walking into a Legal Shield event. There it is. Yeah, we're down here in Anaheim, gonna get some training, gonna get some information. We're locked out. What do you think, Amy? What are we going to do here today?
We're going to learn about wealth building.
Oh, I love it.
And helping our team
Okay.
grow, save time, make money. You got to go visit ladiesofjusticeleague.com. There's a lot of resources there that'll help you save time and make more money.
What's that place you got to go again?
ladiesofjusticeleague.com.
All right. Come visit. We got to go inside. This is ballrooms.